wait for some more participants to join. Okay, only 13 has joined right now. Someone has named as bio 1, 2, 3, 4. I have already told you on the last class to change your device name and you have to use your own name.
Okay, ma'am.
Bio 1, 2, 3, 4 has seen over there.
Good
I don't know
afternoon,
your
ma'am.
name.
My name is Danay.
Danay. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Danay, change your device name. How are you all?
We are fine.
Hi, ma'am.
We are fine.
Okay, okay, okay.
How are you, ma'am?
Can wait some more, 2 more minutes we can wait, okay?
Ma'am, homework.
But I have got only a few response for the homework. Shreya is there?
Yes.
Yes, Shreya. And Felix is there? Felix? Yeah. Then Vishnu. Only 3 has sent me the homework which I have told you. Where were you others?
I do.
I did.
You have done?
Yes.
But why don't you send it to me? I have got only 3 students. That is Shreya, Felix, and
Ma'am, I did.
okay, okay. If
Ma'am, I
it
did.
is okay, no problem. But anyway, congrats to all.
Ma'am, I also did.
Okay, shall we start the class?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Children, let me recollect the points which I have taught you on the last class, okay? To whom I will ask?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will ask to Sri Shankar. Sri Shankar?
Ma'am.
Yes. What is a globe?
A globe.
Wait. I'm asking to Sri Shankar. All others, please mute your audio. Sri Shankar? Yes, tell me.
Small model of Earth.
Yeah, very good. A globe is an exact model of the earth. Okay, very good, Sri Shankar. Then, Vaiga.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you tell me the important tools which are used to represent the earth?
Globe and maps.
Very good. Globe and the map are the 2 important tools which represent the earth. Okay, right. Okay, so let me ask you, fellas. The word
Yes,
globe
ma'am.
comes from a Latin word, right?
Yes.
What is it? I have told you.
Can I tell?
Wait. Felix, can you tell me?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't. Then Chinmay.
Globus.
Globus. Okay. Felix, is it clear now? The word
Yes.
globe comes from a Latin word. Okay. That is globus. And which means is a.
Ma'am.
Yes. What does globus means?
Spherical.
Yeah, that is round. Okay, the word globe comes from a Latin word that is globus. Okay, which means round. Okay, round or sphere.
Yes.
Yeah, which means round or sphere. Okay, correct. Then the next question. I will ask to Neha. Neha, am I audible? Unmute your speaker. What is an equator? Unmute your audio and tell me, Neha. I can't hear you. Sorry, I'm not getting any response. Neha, your audio is muted. Unmuted. Okay, then let me move on to Vinayak. Vinayak,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the answer.
Ma'am, can you say the question once more?
What is an equator?
An equator is an imaginary line
Yes.
which
Yeah.
divides the earth into equal parts.
Very good. Perfect answer. Okay. An equator is an imaginary line which divides the earth into two equal halves. Okay. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
Then we have discussed the important points and lines. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
There are two endpoints.
South Pole, North Pole.
South
Yeah,
Pole
very
and
good.
North
Who have
Pole.
said that
South
answer?
Pole and
Who
North
have
Pole.
said
Ma'am,
it?
Naren.
Naren. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Naren, good. I can't see you here. Turn on your video, Naren.
Ma'am, the network has some issues.
Okay, okay, okay,
Technical problem.
okay, no problem. So, there are two endpoints. Okay, North Pole and South Pole. Okay,
South
and
Pole.
what does the term hemisphere means? Hemisphere.
Semicircle. Semicircle. Semicircle.
Yeah, good. That is half portion. Okay, hemi means half. Okay, so the upper half, let me share the screen. Okay, be online there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just imagine who is rubbing on the screen. Who is drawing a line on the screen? Rub it. Okay, good. So there are two endpoints. One at the top and one is at the bottom. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So this one is called
North Pole.
North Pole.
North Pole.
yes, okay,
North
North
Pole.
Pole, and here it is
South Pole.
South Pole.
South Pole. And equator. Where does equator lies?
Equator is an imaginary line
No,
that
not so.
divides
It is
imaginary line that
it is an imaginary line which divides the earth into equal halves. But where does it lies? Where is it?
In the middle of the
Yeah, at the center. Okay.
Center of the earth.
Yeah.
center
Okay.
of the earth.
Equal halves means
Equator.
it is dividing the earth into two
Equal
equal halves.
Equal half.
Okay, so it lies at the center.
South Pole.
Center.
Okay. There
Enter.
is no confusion regarding this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So it lies in the center. Okay. Is it clear,
Okay.
children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
when Vishnu,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
can you tell me what is an axis?
Ma'am, I did hear.
What
Ma'am,
is that?
axis
Axis, yeah.
Ma'am, axis is an
Uh,
imaginary thread in that Earth rotates.
yeah. The metal rod. ROD is its spelling. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The metal rod on which the earth spins. Okay. The earth
Okay,
is rotating on its axis. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
here we can see the axis.
Axis.
Okay. In which the earth spins.
Yes.
Is it okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
This part, the upper half, we will always term as northern hemisphere.
Southern hemisphere.
Okay.
Northern,
The upper part,
northern hemisphere.
very good.
Northern hemisphere.
Southern west.
The lower
Hemisphere.
part, we always referred as
Southern hemisphere.
Southern hemisphere.
very good, children. So I think you almost know all things about a globe and the important lines and the points,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Very
yes.
good, very good, children. So shall we move to the next portion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait there. Had your lunch, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Your second language class is over?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Only those who have opted Malayalam only has to join for the second language class. Okay.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Those who have opted Hindi, they can join when the session will, means when you get the timetable, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm after in Malayalam, Hindi.
Just I will show a model of this all. Okay. That is,
Okay, ma'am.
what is this called?
Globe.
Globe.
This is globe. And
Globe,
this,
globe.
this road. Okay, can you
Axis.
see the metal road? Yeah, that is
Axis.
Axis.
axis. And can you see a line over here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Equator. Equator.
This is equator.
Which lies at the center. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
End points, that is North Pole and the
North Pole, South Pole.
South Pole. Okay, good.
North Pole and
And
South
this
Pole.
part,
Northern hemisphere.
Northern
Northern
hemisphere.
hemisphere.
And here it is.
Southern hemisphere.
Southern hemisphere.
Southern hemisphere.
Very good. Okay. Then we are moving to the next portion.
Green.
Can you
This
see a
India.
picture on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me? Can anyone bless win? Can you tell me what it is?
Ma'am,
Yes, bless win. Unmute your audio and tell me.
Map.
Yes, map. Okay. So the two important tools which are used to represent the earth, that is globes and the map.
globe and map.
Okay. So here we can see the picture of a map.
Map.
Is it like a globe?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. What is the difference? Tell me.
It is
Ma'am, the globe is
Anyone, please.
spherical.
I will tell you.
Sphere.
Ayush. Ayush, tell me. Ayush, can you tell me the difference that you can see? comparing globe and a map? Ayush, are you there? Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me. Sorry. I can't hear you, Ayush.
Now he is asking the question.
Him to tell the question.
Okay. Can you see the picture on the screen? Yes, you can see. What is it? Map. Okay.
Hmm.
It is an Indian map. Okay, it is
Okay,
the
ma'am.
map of India. Okay.
Indian.
Is
No,
it
ma'am.
exact? Can you find out any difference between globe and
Yes,
a map?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abhimanyu, can you tell me? Abhimanyu,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, tell me. See, the main difference is that, children, are you there?
Yes,
ma'am.
We
a globe is an exact
yes,
model
we have
of
studied
Earth.
that globe is an exact model
Exact
of the
model of
earth. That
Earth.
means
Of
it
the
is, what is the
Round.
shape of that one?
Spherical.
Spherical,
Sphere.
right,
Or sphere.
spherical. But a map, is it spherical?
It's flat.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. It's
Yeah.
flat. No, ma'am.
It's flat.
It is flat. Very good. Okay. So a map is a, let me tell you the definition of a map. Okay. A map is a two-dimensional drawing of a place. Have you heard about 2D, 3D shapes and all? Have you
Yes, ma'am.
studied in math?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So 2D, that means two-dimensional means that it has length and width.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
length and width only.
Width
Okay,
of the.
so it is the drawing of a place on a flat surface.
A map is, can you see one more time, please?
Yeah, a map is a two-dimensional. You just hear it now. Just write the important points only.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
notes I will send you through the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
It's
So
important.
first you listen it. A map is a two-dimensional drawing. Two-dimensional. What do you mean by two-dimensional?
2D.
2D.
2D means that
2D.
length and width. Okay, length
Okay, ma'am.
and width.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
two-dimensional drawing of a place. It is an Indian map, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
See India, okay, then neighboring countries and all, it has been displayed over here. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
so it is a two-dimensional drawing of a place on a flat surface. Flat surface. It is not spherical in shape. A map is flat. Okay. Can anyone of you see maps?
Yes, ma'am.
Previous year, your teacher might have shown you the picture of maps.
Yes, ma'am.
and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
good. So now you know what is a map.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, clear.
Neha, can you tell me? Neha, can you tell me what is a map? Do I need to write over here?
No, ma'am.
Then tell me. Two-dimensional. What do you mean by two-dimensional?
Length and width.
And
Length and width.
yeah. WIDTH. two-dimensional drawing of a place on a flat
Flat
surface.
surface.
Is it clear, children, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Do
ma'am.
I need to call someone to say this answer? Shiva Gayatri?
Can you tell once more?
Yeah. A map is a two-dimensional drawing of a place. Okay.
Okay.
On a flat surface. Isa, Prinova. Prinova, tell me she's ready to see the answer. Prinova. Prinova. Am I audible to you? Unmute your speaker. Prinova.
Can I say, ma'am?
I'm not hearing any response, Prinova.
Ma'am, can
Unmute
I
it.
say? Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I say?
Who is asking for? Vishnu.
No, Shreya. Yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Answer me. Tell me.
Ma'am, who?
Yes. Tell me.
Who, ma'am?
Who, ma'am?
I will. Nevin.
Map is a two-dimensional.
Two-dimensional drawing of a. I'm not getting any response. Please respond. Shreya. Okay, Shreya, tell me.
A map is a two-dimensional drawing of a place on a flat surface.
Very good. It's a clear answer. A map is a two-dimensional drawing of a place on a flat surface. Okay. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then one more student.
Okay, ma'am.
Helen Tito.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what is a map?
A map is a two-dimensional drawing of the earth on a flat surface.
Very good. It's clear. Okay. So let me share a screen. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Wait. Then be online there. I'm sharing a screen to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So again, one map is here. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you
Yes,
know
ma'am.
what is a map, right? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
we are going to study the types of maps. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone knows any one particular types of map? Have you studied or have you heard any particular term for the map?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Nobody?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay. So let me explain. We have three important types of map. Okay. Three types of map. First one is physical map. Okay. Physical map.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Physical. What do you what do you understand from the term physical?
Physical features.
Physical features. Very good. Who have said it?
And blessing.
Blesswin. Correct. Blesswin, you are very correct. Physical features of a country. Okay, that means major landforms, rivers. Okay, all this are explained in a physical map. You understand? I'll clear it. I'll clear it. The physical features of a particular place. Okay, in India, we have different landforms are there, different water bodies. Water bodies means that ocean, seas, rivers. Okay, so
Ma'am,
yes, yes. Who is asking?
ma'am, it's not clear.
Picture is not clear.
No, ma'am, your voice.
My voice is not clear. How is it now?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Okay, okay. Thank you, dear children. See, physical map. Okay, physical map, we can see the physical features of a particular place. Okay, the water bodies. Okay, the water bodies, the rain means the landforms, different landforms, different water bodies, everything is displayed on a physical map.
Ma'am, we cannot hear.
You cannot hear?
Ma'am, it's clear, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's clear. Clear.
Now, am I audible?
Yes,
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, good, good. Children, now can you hear what I have told you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what does a physical map shows?
Physical map shows the physical features.
Physical features, that means that, yes, tell me.
Landforms and water bodies.
Yeah, very good. Landforms, water bodies, everything we can see on a physical map.
Physical
Is
map.
it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. You are very good. Okay, very smart kids you are.
Thank you, ma'am.
Love you all.
Same to you, ma'am.
Chinmay,
Yes,
can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
tell me what does a physical map shows?
A physical map shows the landforms and water bodies of a
Yeah,
particular place.
mainly. Good, very good, Chinmay. Physical features of a particular place. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Okay. Okay. Then the same Indian map I have shown you, but it is a different one.
Okay, ma'am.
Can anyone say what is the difference?
Ma'am, it did not show physical things.
Yeah, very good. It is not a physical map. It is a political map. Okay. Okay, political map shows, okay, shows the capitals, the borders. Okay, yeah. This one is the political map.
Ma'am,
Which
can you
shows,
hear me?
okay, children, it is the time to wind up actually. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyway, you study now.
Climate map.
Wait. Children, anyway,
Climate map.
what is a map? Okay, that you
Okay.
need to study. What are the
Yes.
different types of map? That is, a map is a two-dimensional drawing of a place on a flat surface. Different
We have
types of
three
maps
types
are
of
there.
maps.
I will
Three.
tell you the name: political map, physical map,
Climate map.
thematic map.
Excuse me,
All
ma'am.
this I will explain to you on the next class.
Ma'am, can you say last one?
Thematic map, that I will explain to you next day. Okay, it's the time to
Okay,
leave.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, see you soon on the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
For a wonderful class.
Notes through the WhatsApp. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
bye.
Thank you
Bye.
for a wonderful.
Thank you.
Ma'am, can you give any homework?
I will send it through the group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, children.
Ma'am,